Why metal prices exploded in 2025 and what happens next in 2026. Gold, silver, platinum, copper. Almost every major metal hit record high in 2025. Silver jumped more than 180%. Copper had its biggest rally since 2009. So what caused this massive metal boom and is it over? 2025 turned out to be a historic year for metal. Despite brief dips in December, prices finished the year at or near all-time highs. This video explains why metals surged so sharply in 2025 and what investors should expect in 2026. So now you are watching the tricky. Gold, the ultimate winner of 2025. Safe haven plus central banks. Gold had a powerful run in 2025. Why gold surged? Massive central bank buying near record levels, strong inflows into gold ETFs, rising geopolitical tensions, expectation of lower US interest rate in 2026. Gold thrives when interest rate falls, debt look unsustainable, currencies weaken. Many experts believe if bond market turns volatile again, gold becomes even more attractive. Some forecasts include from Goldman Sachs see gold moving toward $4,900 by end 2026. Why silver beat gold by a mile? The surprise champion. Silver was a star performer of 2025, up 150 to 180% in a single year, best annual performance since 1951. What drove silver higher? Declared a critical mineral in the US. Exploding demand from solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics. Severe depletion of London silver inventories. Silver is unique, part precious metal, part industrial metal. This dual role makes silver outperform gold dramatically. Platinum's silent comeback, undervalued and tight supply. Platinum surprised many investors. Prices surged 160% in 2025, one of the year's top for performing commodities. Key drivers: supply disruptions, especially in South Africa, strong physical demand, use in automobiles, jewelry, electronics. Despite the rally, platinum is still cheap relative to gold historically. Market faces potential supply deficit. Experts say even a small disruption could trigger another sharp rally in 2026. And copper, the metal of the future. AI, EVs, and energy transition. Copper saw its biggest annual jump in 2009. Prices rose over 140%, crossed $12,000 per ton, touching record highs. Why copper exploded? US tariff fears, the trade uncertainty, supply disruptions at mine. Exploding demand from AI data centers, EVs, power grid, renewable energy. Copper is the backbone of everything electric. The big forces behind the 2025 metal boom, why everything went up together. Five major forces drove the rally: geopolitical risk, safe haven demand, US rate cut expectations, non yielding asset sign, central bank buying, structural support, supply shocks, mine disruption, shortages, green energy and AI demand, structural long-term demand, thin year-end liquidity implied prices move further. What happens in 2026? A rally or reality check? Consolidation, not collapse. Most analysts expect consolidation, not a crash. Outlook by metal. Gold. likely to remain strong, central bank buying expected to stay elevated, falling rates mean supportive environment, and silver. Short-term volatility possible, structural shortages still exist, industrial demand remains powerful. Platinum. Balanced market only if trade tensions ease, otherwise supply deficit could return. Copper may consolidate in early 2026. Long-term outlook remains bullish due to supply shortages by 2030. Big picture takeaway. This was not a bubble. The 2025 metals rally was not driven by speculation alone. It was driven by real shortages, structural demand, central bank behavior, geopolitical risk. That is why experts believe prices may cool, but the trend is still intact. In one line, metals surged to record highs in 2025 due to geopolitics, supply shocks, central bank buying, and green energy demand. And while 2026 may bring consolidation, the long term bull case remains strong. Conclusion: 2025 will be remembered as a historic year for metals. Gold protected wealth, silver shocked markets, copper signaled the future. The bull market may slow, but it is far from finished. So, if this explainer helped you, hit like, comment below which metal do you think will outperform in 2026, gold, silver, or copper, and subscribe for more simple explainers on markets, money, and global trends. Thank you.